Visa card from Netflix. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove your Visa card from your Netflix account. So first of all, just go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, and after that just get the Netflix app in your device, and after that just click on open. And now if you don't have the membership, just click on restart your membership and just click on next. And after that just choose the plan of your choice that you want to buy for your Netflix and just simply click on next. And here on this page, in order to buy a subscription, you have to change a payment method option. For example, your credit card or debit card or your UPI autopay. So just click on credit or debit card. And here just simply enter your Visa card detail like your Visa card number, expiration date, your CVC number, and your first name and your last name. And after that just make the payment for your Netflix account. And once your Netflix account payment is done, and when you open your Netflix account, from the profile section just go to your payment method option, and there you will be able to see your Visa card as your payment method option. You just simply have to click on remove card, and your Visa card will be removed from your Netflix account. And this way you will be able to remove your Visa card from your Netflix account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.